All aspirants to our channel of Kamal Competitions. Today channel is class is special. That is something very important being given. The first question: which of the following is snow leopard is correct? A. Snow leopards are found in the Himalayan mountain peaks. 2. B. These are mostly found in India, Nepal, and Bhutan. C. Snow leopards need snow-capped mountains and their population will become extinct in the absence of adequate snow. D. All the above lines are correct. The answer is all the above lines are correct. Next question. Which of the following lines regarding the wild tiger is correct? A. National award winning filmmaker and founder of Indiverse, Onaga Varsa JS is a wildlife expert. B. He says that India is home to 75% of world's wild tigers. C. If there was an Olympic for biodiversity of land and life, India would have won a gold medal. D. It is time that India claims it because despite having such a powerful story, we do not speak about it enough. E. The International Big Cat Alliance is exactly where that changes. F. All the above lines are correct. Next question. Gold constitute bring the biggest item in India's import bill. A. Fifth. B. Fourth. C. Third. D. Second. The correct answer is D. Gold constitutes the second biggest item in the India's import bill. Next question. Which of the following lines regarding the Interpol is correct? I repeat the question. Which of the following lines regarding the Interpol is correct? A. The Interpol has issued the first silver notice on India's request to track the global assets of former French embassy officer Shubham Shokin wanted in a visa fraud case. B. The silver notice is a color-coded notice introduced by the Interpol in January 2025 to track the movements of illicit assets across the globe. C. The pilot project, of which India is also a part, started with this issuance of the first silver notice is on the request of Italy. D. The second request was made on May 26, 2005 against Amit Madanlal Lakhanpal by the Enforcement Directorate ED. E. All the above lines are correct. Its answer is all the above lines are correct. Next question. The Operation Rise Pill was launched recently by which of the following? I repeat the question. The Operation Raise Bill was launched recently by agencies. A. Army. B. Navy. C. Air Force. D. Narcotics Control Bureau. The answer is D. It was started by the Narcotics Control Bureau of India. Next question. Which of the following lines regarding Indian Institute of Technology is correct? I repeat the question. Which of the following lines regarding Indian Institute of Technology IIT is correct? A. Punjab got its first IIT in 2008 and Himachal Pradesh had an IIT in 2009. B. Braving 7 northeastern states, barring 7 states, Tripura, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, and Mizoram, Nagaland. All other states has an IIT. Haryana state has no IIT till date. D. The foreign countries Tanzania and UAE have also an IIT campuses. E. IIT is under the full control of the government of India. All the above lines are correct. The answer is F. All the above lines are correct. Next question. As per the Indian Meteorological Department, IMD, 1971 to 2020, the average rainfall should be blank millimeters. A. 840 millimeters. B. 850 millimeters. C. 860 millimeters. D. 870 millimeters. The correct answer is millimeters at D. Next question. The book, The Emperor of All Melodies, a biography of cancer, was authored by which of the following authors? A. Nitin Mukherjee. B. Naveen Mukherjee. C. Praveen Mukherjee. D. Siddhanta Mukherjee. The correct answer is D. It was Siddhanta Mukherjee who wrote this book, authored this book. Next question. Which of the following lines regarding Ustad Sabir Ali Khan is correct? I repeat the question. Which of the following lines regarding Ustad Sabir Ali Khan is correct? A. He was born in December 1959 in Rampur, UP. He belonged to the Farrukhabad Gharana and was a famous tabla player of India. C. He was awarded the Bharat Nirman Puraskar in 2011. D. He died on May 14, 2026 in Kolkata due to heart failure. E. All the above lines are correct. The answer is E. All the above lines are correct. Next question. India's oldest medical book, Veda Manotsava, pertains to which of the following years? I repeat the question. India's oldest medical book in Hindi, its name Ved Manotsava, pertains to which of the following years? A. 1995. B. 1594. C. 1593. D. 1592. The correct answer is 1592. The book pertains to 1952. 92. Sorry. The next question. The International Family Day is observed on which of the following dates? I repeat the question. The International Family Day is observed on which of the following dates? A. May 18. B. May 17. C. May 16. D. May 15. The correct answer is D. The May 15 is observed as the International Family Day. Next question. Which of the following lines regarding fire deserts is correct? I repeat the question. Which of the following lines regarding the fire deserts is correct? A. Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft Project foundation stone has been laid on May 2006 in Satya Sen districts of Andhra Pradesh. B. It will provide training and certification of the fifth generation fighter jets. C. To be built at the expenditure of 15,803 crore. It will provide jobs for 7,500 persons. D. The Defense Minister Rajnath Singh was present on the occasion. E. All the above lines are correct. The correct answer is E. All the above lines are correct. Next question. Which of the following lines regarding the rainy season in India is correct? A. Normally, the monsoon winds reach Kerala coast by June 1 every year. B. The rainy season in India extends from June 1 to September 30. E. The El Nino phenomena may weaken the monsoon winds, hitting the Pacific Ocean waters that can change the course of the winds. E. The monsoon winds which remain active from June to September bring India 70% of its rainfalls. F. All the above lines are correct. Next question. Which of the following lines regarding Uganda is correct? It is an African country, Uganda. I repeat the question. Which of the following lines regarding Uganda is correct? A. Yoweri Museveni has taken oath as President of Uganda for record 7th time. He came to power in 1986 and has completed 40 years being at the helm. C. In January 2026, President elections were he got 7.65% votes. D. All the above lines are correct. The answer is D. All the above lines are correct. Next question. The National Testing Agency, NTA, which was in news recently, was established in which of the following years? I repeat the question. The National Testing Agency, which was in the news recently, was established in which of the following years? 2020. B. 2019. C. 2018. 2017. The correct answer is D. 2017. North India accounts for blank country's air passenger traffic. I repeat the question. North India accounts for blank country's air traffic, passenger traffic. A. 45%. B. 40%. C. 35%. D. 30%. The correct answer is D. Which of the following is the only country which is home to the 5 big cats species: cheetah, tiger, lion, snow leopard, and leopard? A. South Africa. B. Botswana. D. India. E. All the other countries. The answer is E. All the countries have 5 big cat species. Next question. Which of the following species is included in the big cat species? I repeat the question. Which of the following species is included in the big cat species? A. Tiger. B. Lion. C. Leopard. D. Snow leopard. E. Cheetah. F. Jaguar. All the above species. All the above species are included in the big cat species. Next question. At present, the number of tigers are increasing only in which of the following countries? I repeat the question. At present, the number of tigers are increasing only in which of the following countries? A. India. B. Russia. C. Nepal. D. Bhutan. E. All the above countries. It means the number of tigers in all the above four countries. Which of the following lines regarding conservation of wildlife is correct? I repeat the question. Which of the following lines regarding the conservation of wildlife is correct? A. The International Big Cat Alliance was launched by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on April 9, 2023. The International Big Cat Alliance was launched in Mysuru, Karnataka. C. In 2025, the IBCA formally became a treaty-based intergovernmental organization. Its General Assembly, New Delhi, established its headquarters in India. E. India will host the first summit of IBCA in June 2026. F. Saudi Arabia too is joining the IBCA summit in India. G. All the above lines are correct. On the above lines on the matter are correct. Next question. Which of the following countries have lost all their tigers to poaching? A. Laos. B. Vietnam. C. Cambodia. D. All the above countries. All the above countries have lost all their tigers to poaching. Okay, friends. आज के इतना ही है. धन्यवाद आपका अटेंडेंस के लिए, और कल फिर करेंगे. और आपकी सुविधा के लिए मैं ये जो नोट्स हैं वो अटैच कर रहा हूँ. हैव ए नाइस डे.